Recently, Google acquired Wiz, a cloud security company, for $23 billion. Yes, the biggest ever deal. By 2028, humanity's collective data will hit the mind-blowing 394 zettabytes. That's 398 followed by 21 zeros. Cyber threats are rising. So are the cybersecurity jobs. India alone will see over 2 lakh job openings, and globally it's in millions. So how will you start your own cybersecurity journey? Let's Secureverse break it down for you.
5 essential skills for you. First, computer networks. Understand IP, DNS, ports, TCP/IP. This is your foundation. Second, operating systems. Learn Linux and Windows. Attackers target OS internals. Third, programming. Basics of Python or Bash for automation and exploit analysis is necessary. Fourth, tools. Use Wireshark, Nmap, Burpsuit, Metasploit. These are your real-world weapons. Fifth, projects. Set up a lab, try catch the flags, do bug bounties. Nothing beats hands-on learning. Start now, learn smart.
Not sure which cybersecurity path is right for you? Check out my previous video, link in the description.
If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Secureverse by Sharpari, where we make cybersecurity simple, fun and real. See you in the next one.